Do you want to delete your Roblox account but not sure how to go about doing that? Then I'm going to walk you through step by step how to do that. So if you're inside the Roblox account, guys, and you click the settings gear on the upper right hand side and you go to settings, and on the left hand side you go on the privacy and you see an option for account deactivation and deletion, but the only thing you can do is deactivate your account. Then let me show you the steps how to delete your account. So you simply want to head over to google.com and simply type in Roblox support. Now, once you type in Roblox support, guys, you want to click on the support website here. It's going to take you right over to this contact form here that you need to fill out. Now, I recommend that you fill out your username, your first name, your email address, and you want to confirm that as well. And down under the section where you have issue details, go ahead and choose what type of device you're having a problem with. So whichever device, in my case, I'm going to just say PC. Now, type of help category, scroll down in the list. You should find an option that basically says, I want to delete my account. Choose this option, and then you want to go ahead and continue to say help subcategory. You can say, I want to delete my account again. And from here, you want to go ahead and fill in the details here. Just mention why you want to delete your account and ask them, please, to delete your account. In case you're not able to find this option, there are other options that you can choose, such as account has been hacked or can't log in, or you can just choose, for example, technical support. But the best option if you want to delete your account is simply choose I want to delete my account. Once you select that, guys, just describe the problem that you have and why you want to delete your account. And by law, they should delete your account and you should be able to proceed and continue. Once you continue, you'll be able to submit your request as to why you want to delete your account. You will receive some emails. They may ask you a few more questions here, and the communication will be continued by email, but for sure they will delete your account. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to delete your Roblox account. Very easy. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.